I come here often to escape the busy sounds of life. It's peaceful, serene. I am a deaf individual who basically lives in the hearing world. I've grown up as a deaf person, and I've noticed many things that hearing people share in general when they try to imagine what the worst thing about being deaf could be. They get caught up in the fact, I can't hear the birds sing, the sound of the waves or music. But all these things are far from what upset me about being deaf. For almost every sound I cannot hear, I can see or feel something that is associated to the sound. When you hear a bird sing, I can see a bird puffing its feathery chest up and down. As you listen to the wind blowing by, I see and feel the silent whisper of the wind as it rustles through the trees and as it blows through my hair. I don't need to hear it to know that it is there, what it is saying. When you hear music, I feel it roar through every part of my body. While you listen to waves crashing into each other, I see the multicoloured water splashing and rushing toward my feet. When I'm walking in the dark alone, everything seems to look the same. Even a gentle breeze can seem like the harshest wind when you are alone in the dark. Not being able to hear what is behind me, it can be frightening. I think some hearing people seem to take the ease of conversing for granted, and for some reason seem to think not hearing music would be the worst thing about being deaf. But when people talk and laugh over something I cannot understand, it's very difficult to find something to appreciate while being left out of something I'd love to be able to be a part of. I often end up feeling depressed when I'm with hearing friends, while they suddenly burst out laughing and I'm the only one who doesn't laugh. The worst thing for me about being deaf is the isolation.